Today we're going to this ramen place, and so I have to get my stuff ready now. I'm gonna go and put my shoes on. Where are you going? Go back there. Go back. It's upstairs. Okay, so I'm gonna go get something. My mom needs something. I have to get it. I am so tired because I kept going back upstairs, downstairs, upstairs, and downstairs. I'm really tired. And I just carry my bag, and it's actually pretty heavy. Oh, that's the camera. Here's the camera. We're gonna go downstairs again. I'm so tired. Yeah, we're gonna go to the ramen place for lunch, with our friends. Oh, and yeah, we're gonna go outside. It's snowing outside. I mean, it's not snowing, but it's like a lot of snow and it's like icy and stuff, so it's slippery. Go in the car. Go. See the snow right there. A lot of snow everywhere. Not in the car though, because on the top it's like full of snow. Yeah, that's it. My sister loves playing in the snow, so she's probably gonna play later. So I'm gonna put her in the car. Now we are in the restaurant, and it's right there. And it's very small, but like everyone loves this restaurant because they have like the best ramen here in Nakawa. But it was really, but that's why the parking lot is like so small. I hate it. It's really hard, and then there's like big cars in here, like that truck right there. Has a doggy in there. That is cute. Okay, bye.